Building a simple synthesizer from ready-made components without programming. Building a simple synthesizer from ready-made components without programming involves several steps. Here's a guide to get you started. Oscillators generate sound waves like sine, square, sawtooth and more. Filter shape the sound by attenuating certain frequencies. Amplifier control the volume of the sound. Envelope generator control how the sound evolves over time with attack, decay, sustain and release, also known as ADSR. LFO or low frequency oscillator modulate various parameters like pitch or filter frequency. Patch cables connect different modules together. Power supply provide necessary power to the modules. Case or mounting board to hold all the components together. And a MIDI keyboard or controller, which is optional to play notes. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to assembling your synthesizer. Gather the components, purchase pre-built modules for each function, and ensure compatibility in terms of voltage and connectivity. Assemble the case. If using a modular synthesizer format like Eurorack, assemble or buy a case. Ensure the power supply is installed and ready to distribute power to each module. Install the modules. Place the modules into the case and secure them according to the case's mounting system. Connect the power. Connect each module to the power supply and double-check the connections to avoid damage. Patch the modules together. Use patch cables to connect the modules. A basic signal path could be oscillator to filter to amplifier to output. Add the envelope generator to control the amplifier and use the LFO to modulate the oscillator or filter for added complexity. Set up a control interface. Connect a MIDI keyboard or controller if you want to play notes and control the synthesizer. Tune and test. Power on the synthesizer. Adjust the parameters on each module to shape the sound and test different patches to explore the range of sounds you can produce. Example patch. Example patch oscillator. Connect the output of the oscillator to the input of the filter and set it to a basic waveform. Filter. Connect the output of the filter to the input of the amplifier and then adjust the cutoff and resonance to shape the sound. Amplifier or VCA. Connect the output of the amplifier to the audio output and use an envelope generator to control the amplitude. Envelope generator. Connect the envelope generator's output to the control input of the VCA. Adjust the ADSR parameters to control the dynamics. LFO. Connect the LFO output to the control input of the oscillator or filter. Set the rate and depth to modulate the sound. Tips. Start simple and gradually add more modules. Experiment with different patches and connections. Read the manuals of each module for specific details on their functions and connections. By following these steps, you can build a basic synthesizer using pre-built components without the need for programming. Enjoy exploring the world of analog sound synthesis. Happy synthesizing. Subscribe for more tutorials.